Each year, more and more qualified, experienced automotive technicians with a boatload of tenure and certification get out of the automotive industry at a faster rate than newcomers enter it. And it goes without saying that we are hurting for qualified technicians in the automotive industry. And with that, Motor Age wants to take a moment to thank all of you that try really hard to be the best you can be for yourselves, your shops, your customers, and the automotive industry as a whole. Hi there. My name is Brandon Steckler, and I'm the technical editor of Motor Age magazine. And I want to be the first to mention that it's that time of year again. It's time for Motor Age to nominate the 2025 Best Young Tech Award recipient. Each year, Motor Age looks for the next sharp, up-and-coming automotive technician, so the nominations are now open. We are looking for bright technicians that are moving the industry forward in a positive direction and are setting an example for others to follow. Some criteria that has to be made in order to be eligible as an award recipient are as follows. First, you have to be between the ages of 21 and 35. You must have at least 2 years of professional industry experience. You have to carry at least one ASE certification, and you should show evidence of career development, whether it's technical or educational achievements you've acquired, community service you've performed, or how you perform a vital role in the shop as a valuable member of your team. Now, registration is easy. All you have to do is submit a Best Young Tech Award nomination. You can nominate yourself or somebody else. All you have to do is click on this link below. And all nominations will be considered and evaluated by a panel of industry professionals, like myself. So you get a fair shot. And why do all this? Well, here's where the fun part comes in. The Best Young Tech Award recipient will also receive a feature story in the October issue of Motor Age magazine. It goes without saying that you're going to receive a free trip to the 2025 AAPEX and SEMA show. Why? Because that is where presentation of the Best Young Tech Award will be handed to you. You'll receive a sack full of tools and equipment prizes from some of our sponsors, as well as a beautiful award plaque and a patch to display proudly on your uniform. So again, all you have to do is click on the link below to get yourself nominated. But remember to do so before June 5th, because that is when nominations will no longer be accepted. And now I want to offer a special thanks to our sponsors who helped make this all possible. ASE, the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, Nexpart Multi-Seller, and of course, Motor Age Training. So do you have what it takes to be the 2025 Motor Age Best Young Tech Award recipient? Who knows? Nobody will unless you get yourself nominated. So again, do so before June 5th, and perhaps it'll be me shaking your hand at this year's 2025 AAPEX and SEMA show. Will I see you there? I hope so. Take care.